the home of Ihaleakala Hew Len. I am JoAnn Kailikea, and I am so appreciative of having this chance to record another video for you. It's such an honor and privilege to have you listening. When Ihaleakala was here, he lived here with us, with the family, for 14 years, since 2008. And this was his favorite place in the garden here, in our home, in his home. And he would clean the process of cleaning, do the cleaning on everything in the garden, the bricks, the plants, every bird, every tree was part of his family. And we are benefiting at this time from that wonderful attention that he gave to us and to all that was around us. So one day, I asked him to come and look at the map on my computer in my office. And on that map, if you would please go to it, you will see the map of the world with all these little magenta dots. And every single dot represents people around the world, cleaning practitioners, who asked us to put their place on the map. And on the day that I proposed this to Ihaleakala, I said, why is it that it's just you and I doing the requests that come in? This only for us, the two of us. Why don't we have everybody join? The power of that bond and all of us doing the cleaning together, I feel it would be spectacular for everybody, including us. It's more fun. So Ihaleakala agreed, and we opened this up, and ever since then, which has been years, we've had really thousands of cleaning requests that we have. While he was here with us, we cleaned together, we read them together, and we knew that the community of Ho'oponopono students around the world were also joining us in the same exact process. So when he went into my office and sat in my chair, looking at my computer at that map, which I'm hoping you will do so you can get a feeling of what happened, he really began to sob. It touched him so deeply because he had no idea at the impact that he was making in the world. He just didn't know, and his first statement was, I wish Morna could see this. And of course, we know that that's probably true. Morna probably is aware, like he is now, about us continuing his work and his legacy, doing our best to share the process that he put his life's work into. And so I just wanted you to know that this is foundational for all the work Zero Wise, all the work we do for ourselves and for you. And there is instructions on how to do the cleaning that I invite you to study or read. And if you have questions, please reach back out to us. And I will really be so happy and honored to help you through if you get stuck in any way. Okay? The main thing is to know how appreciative we are to have this relationship with you. You know, when I grew up in Hawaii, my favorite thing as a child was eating lunch, of course, going to school and getting lunch. Secondly, recess. The elders, the old, they weren't that old, but to a young child, they're old. Probably you're thinking the same about me. Um, they used to come on recesses, go under the tree, and I'd rush there, sit in the front, and hear the stories. Because you know, Hawaiian people, they 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 didn't write things; they told stories. And that's the way we learn. That's how I learned. I heard the legends, I heard the teaching, and the way I was with Ihaleakala. He always invited me in a personal way to sit with him when he was doing anything online, and um, so he and I had. I was very lucky. He was my mentor and really helped me. And I'm going to stop here by saying aloha. I love you. We belong to each other, and I hope you continue to listen as we share. Okay, aloha.